Hello again, Dr. Valerie Nelson here, natural doctor. And we're going to go through what you would do if you did not want to come in for an appointment at our office. You do have an appointment for an opportunity for a face-to-face consultation if you live in the Pittsburgh area, or a phone appointment with myself, or a phone appointment with our certified nutritional counselor, Jenna. So it's a little more expensive to have a phone appointment with me. It's more affordable to have a phone appointment with Jenna. Jenna gathers all your health information, and then she has a meeting with me, and we put together a customized plan for you. If you don't want to do that, there are some guidelines we give people to start on some of our products for certain conditions. And I'm going to go through, continue on some of the intro products, some of the definitions that we have for different conditions and products that you can use to help with those conditions. So if you know anybody who doesn't live in an area that they have a natural doctor in their area, by all means share our videos, point them to our videos, because we help people all across the United States and in the United Kingdom with our product line. So continuing right along, arthritis. If someone comes in and they have arthritis, if you're in our area, by all means, we recommend getting detoxification foot bath sessions. They can be amazing for people with arthritis. If you're not in our area, check to see if you have somebody that does them in your area. Some foot bath machines are better than other foot bath machines, so it's good if you could go to somebody who really knows what they're doing. Some of the machines just work a lot better. If not, here is a program that I'm going to recommend for you. Now, if you've had arthritis for years and years and years, and there's a lot of deterioration, this program may or may not work. This works a little bit better for mild to moderate arthritis, and really any other kind of pain conditions. Okay, the number one pick is our Pain Away. Let me see where it is here. Our Pain Away product. You can take anywhere from 2 of these a day up to 8 of these a day. I mean, if it's really bad, you could even try 10 a day. A lot of the pain medications are really toxic that they have people on, and people do not want to be on these pain medications. So it's really worth it to give the natural things a try, because the natural things aren't just going to help with the pain, they're going to do other really good things for your body as well. So that's a Pain Away. It's in a capsule, and do it in a split dose, anywhere from 2 a day to 10 a day, but a really good average number is 4 a day. So the Pain Away. A complementary product for that is our Arnica 1M. These two work really good together for any kind of pain condition. We're specifically talking about arthritis pain today. So this is a homeopathy. With the homeopathies, you always take them against your hand. You tap them a few times because it's an energetic formulation that increases the energetic pattern in it, and you're going to spray it directly in your mouth. So many people are on these two products, and they order them over and over again. They wouldn't do that if they didn't work, so they're really effective. Also, when it comes to pain issues, another really great addition is the intestinal enhancer, because the intestinal enhancer actually is a digestive enzyme. It's got 18 different digestive enzymes in here, but enzymes have really been shown to help with inflammatory processes. That's one thing that they do. They do a lot. But the mini program would be that, plus something called Fungi Cleanse we recommend a lot for our people with individuals with arthritis, because there can be small bacteria, sometimes parasites and funguses that don't show up on regular blood tests, that actually will go and travel through the bloodstream and start eating away the cartilages that connect the ligaments and cartilages that are related to arthritis pain. So, and then throwing in a professional probiotic 2 a day to start putting the healthy immune system back in to help counteract the bad bacteria. So that is a mini program for arthritis. Now, are there some people that just do this and they have good results, the Pain Away and the Arnica? By all means. But if you're really wanting to do some good things for your health, throw in the intestinal enhancer, the Fungi Cleanse, and the professional probiotic. That's a more comprehensive program, And foot baths in our office or foot baths in the area that you're in. Okay, so moving right along, we're still on the A's. There's a lot of health conditions in the A's. Asthma. Two things that asthmatics are almost always low in are D3, that can really, really help asthmatics, and magnesium. So asthmatic medications can be really, really hard on the cardiovascular system. I could tell you stories about people that have had cardiovascular problems from being on asthmatic medications. So if there's anything that you can do to help to counteract that, you know what I need is the eucalyptus. Can you grab the eucalyptus for me? Okay, so the D3, you want to do 1 or 2 of those a day. And the triple magnesium, you want to do 3 to 6 of these a night before bed to bowel tolerance. Another thing I tell asthmatics to do, and a lot of them have been able to reduce their asthmatic inhalers, which again, hard on the heart, by taking actually 1 drop of eucalyptus oil, putting that in your palm. You just need a drop, 1 drop. We do this together because it's actually really refreshing. Rub your hands together. You're going to do a makeshift inhaler. The first time you do it, you don't want to cup it real tight against your nose because it's pretty strong. You want to do a light cup. So you want to do a light cup across your nose. Breathe in, and it'll really help to open up those sinus passageways and your lungs. It's amazing. You can do it 1 more time. The second time you can do it a little bit tighter because some of it's dissipated. So carrying eucalyptus oil around with you, it's just an amazing thing to do. Again, the less you can use more toxic medications, the better off you're going to be in the long run for your health. You don't have to watch too many commercials to see all of the side effects that come, or the piece of paper that comes with your pharmaceuticals of all the possible side effects. So you want to use things from nature as much as possible. Also, with the asthmatics, you do really want to do lively multi if possible, 3 a day. That's a lively whole food multiple vitamin. And Fungi Cleanse again, which is the spray that helps to reduce bad bacteria in your system, and professional probiotics. Again, I will review. Some people may only want to do 2 of these things and see how that goes. And if that works for them, they might just want to stick with 2 of the products. So I go through the most important ones for asthmatics are the magnesium and the vitamin D3. It would be silly not to add the eucalyptus oil. And the other parts of the program you might want to consider is a lively multi whole food multiple vitamin, the Fungi Cleanse, or Candida fungus fighters if you prefer a pill. This is a spray. We have Candida fungus fighters, which is the pill version. We have a lot of people that do that one too, but the Fungi Cleanse is very similar in a homeopathy, and then 2 professional probiotics. The next condition is backache. Oh wow, we finally moved into the B's. Okay, so backaches. A lot of people, of course, foot bath no matter what. Any kind of pain stuff, if you can come in for a foot bath, by all means, do a foot bath. With the 2 other picks, and the backache is going to be kind of similar to the arthritis pain. That would be the Pain Away. Where are you, Pain Away? The Pain Away, anywhere between 2 a day and 4 a day. Of course, don't rule out chiropractors. If something's out of alignment, a chiropractor is really, really helpful. But some people have chronic backaches. Massage therapy as well. And the arnica, which is 10 sprays 3 times a day. The stress calming factors, where are you here? Where did I put the stress calming factors? Oh, here they are. Okay, so the stress calming factors, because a lot of times stress causes backaches, especially if you have that backache across the top of the shoulders and it's just really, really tight all the time, or the lower back. If there's not an alignment issue, sometimes it's a stressor. And sometimes people are happy people and they still have stress because they have a lot on their plate, they're juggling a lot of things. So the stress calming factors would be 4 to 6 a day. You can safely take up to 8 to 10 a day, but those can be really helpful for backaches. The triple magnesium, triple calcium, oops, wrong bottle, this one. The triple magnesium, triple calcium, 4 before bed. And you want to do this to bowel tolerance. Again, if 4 is enough to keep you going regularly every day, then 4 might be a great number for you. If you need a little bit more, you can go up to 6. But because this is a muscle relaxer too, great for headaches, great for leg cramps, great for the cardiovascular system, the skeletal system as well. Okay. Bad breath. All right. A lot of people suffer with chronic bad breath. So my number one pick with any kind of body odor stuff is the Superfood Green Complex. It's not only going to really build up your blood and give you a lot of nutrition, it also can be great for absorbing odors, great for the thyroid system. So there's a lot in this bottle. So great on days where you just know you don't eat as much as you should. But this does miracles for bad breath. You always want to consider a professional probiotic